Someone is thinking that it should be C. Okay. Any other student? Just try out. Put your logic. And if you get through the logic, then you will be highly satisfied with this particular ability test. So 3, 7, 29, 66, 127. And what could be the next one? Yes, very few, but got the correct one. Right. So option C is locked. Computer G is a lock कीजिए 218. So let's verify whether it is 218 or something else. Right. So here it is 3 plus 7 becomes 10. Fine. Then here 10 plus 29 becomes 19 becomes 29. Then here I think it is 37 and here it is 61. Got it. Now according to this logic, your answer will not come. Further, you have to find out relationship of relations. Right. So relationship, this is relationship in between these two. Now you have to find out the relationship of this relationship. So you have to find out what is the relationship in between these two. So here it is, how many? 12 plus 7 will become 19. Then 19 plus 18 will become 37. Again, this 37 plus, I think 24 become 61. So here there is a relationship. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6, so plus 6. So now it will become 30, right? And okay, I will write this 30. But this plus 30 will be added in this relationship. So it will become 1, 6 and 3, 9. So 91. Now this 91 will be added in this case. So it will become 7 plus 1, 8 and 2 plus 9, 11, 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. So your option is 218. And therefore, the option C is the correct answer. Right. So sometimes you have to go for the relationship of the relations, right, or relationship of relationships. So this could be the way. Got it? Okay, I thought it. So now see, just by looking this, sometimes just by looking only the question, many times you click the correct answer. But sometimes you have to think. Sometimes even only thinking is not helpful. So you have to think it rigorously, and that rigorous thinking will always finding out a solution one step ahead, not step by step, simultaneously, at least 2 steps, right? So this is that kind of question. So first you have to find out the relationship in between these two numbers. Then what is this one? In fact, what I have done, I have come across the difference between these two successive numbers. So here it is plus 7, right? Here it is 19, here it is 37, here it is 61, here, okay, that we will be finding out what could be this relationship. But again, only this relationship or this difference is not sufficient to write or to obtain your answer. So only plus 61. So what could I what I should write? I don't know. It is on, right? So only after this plus 61, what you should write here? So yeah, as there is no definite relationship in between these numbers, right? So now you have to find out what could be the relationship so that you will be coming across this particular number, that is say 91 in this case. So in between these two numbers, what could be the relations, right? Then what is relation in between this? What is the relation in between this? And then no doubt you will be getting the next relation, right? And here this will become plus, let's say 12 18, 24, 30. So this 30 plus 61 becomes 91, and that is your number in which you are interested. And therefore, simply now you can add it in this number and you can get this particular answer, right? So this is your logic of this particular question. Fine. Okay, then next, okay, next one is very simple one. Say 2 question mark 5 7 11 13. So I think there is no need to write the options for this A, B, C, D. So options are say 4, 0, 3, 6. Yes, I think everyone is getting this particular answer. It is so simple. So we need not to go into the detail. So it is option C. Yes, and very simple logic. What they are? Prime numbers, right? Divisible by themselves only. So this is about the question number 40, having the answer, say option C. That is number 3. Fine. Okay, let's move to the next one. 2, 12, 36, 80, 150. What is the answer? So your options are 180, 200, 232, 252. I think Pranav, can you re-verify it? Whether same answer is getting one more time or it differs. Just check it. That is, re-verify it. I think Mayuresh had written some. I don't know how C is coming. Okay, can anybody write the logic? Logic for option C. At all, A is not the answer. Okay, let's verify and then we will figure out what could be the answer. Fine. Okay. So 210 is 12, right? 1224 is 36. 3644 will come 80. 80, 70 will come 150. Now, what should be the next number here, right? That we have to get it. But here it is not. So let's find out the relationship in between these numbers, right? So here it is plus 14. 10 plus 14, 24. 24 plus 20 is, let's say, 44 plus 26 is 70, right? Now what could be the next one? So again, what is the relationship in between these two? It is by plus 6. In these two, it is plus 6. Again, here it should be plus 6. So according to that, it will come 32. Now this 32 plus 70, right? So these, it will become 2, 7, 3, 10. Now this is plus in this, right? So it will become 2, 5, 1, 1, 2. So I think we are coming across 252, right? I think someone had already written option D, but later on I think he had changed his answer. So it is, see, I think this kind of logic we have explored in this particular case. Got it? So it is 252. So your option D is the answer. Here it is option C. Fine. Anyway, sometimes it happens, but once you have a habit of going through the exercise, then it will definitely every time coming the correct one, right? So while practicing, sometimes here and there is accepted. Next one, which we can have 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. Right. What could be the next one? Option A, B, C, D. So 9, 10, 13, 16. Very simple logic. There is no great thing in this particular question. Yes, most of you are coming with this option. C is the answer. What logic? So 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 13. So this is 30. Right? And therefore your option C is there. Fine. So if anybody wants the anybody wants the screenshot, they can. Take down the screenshot if someone requires it for practicing one more time. what I can do for that, I don't know. Okay, just wait. What I can do, probably. Okay, that's fine. Now zooming will be not covering whole page, I guess. So I have brought it into the much more brighter light. Anyway, now I guess everyone must have finished. So let's move. And question 16. Now I think 4 or 5 more are there. 16 time. Okay. Next one. 99, 91, 75, 67, 51, 43. What is the answer? A, B, C, D. And your options are 27, 28, 29, 30. So your numbers are 99, 91, 75, 67, 51, 43. Okay. (25) and 26 are not the options, and also there is none of above is not there. Yes, someone have written the logic as well. That's good, right? So here, what you have to do, okay, sorry for the inconvenience. So simple one. So it is -8, and this will come by -16. Again, in these two, the difference is of -8. Here again, difference is of -16. So here it is difference of -8. So next difference should be -16. So 43 minus 16 will be, I think, 27. Right. So your option A is the answer. A. Fine. Now next one. 9, 10, 13, 18, 25. What is answer? A, B, C, D. So your options are 33, 34, 35, 36. So 9, 10, 13, 18, 25. So let's find out difference. So it is 1, 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. 13 plus 5, 18. 18 plus 7, 25 plus 9, right? So it should be always 34. Therefore, option B is your answer, right? 34. Fine. Now, question number 19. Something different. So correct. Runs up now. 10 plus 3, 18. So in just a minute, I will go through this chat. So 9 plus 1, 10, 10, 10 plus 3 is 13, 13 plus 5 is 18, 18 plus 7 is 25, 25 plus 9 is 34. No, someone has written 36 is also correct. So I'm just verifying it, how it is. Anyway, so the correct one we have come across. Now, something different. Here we can have, say, 3, 5, 7 is having relationship with 7, 3, 5. Then 4, 3, 1 must have relationship with, let's say, some number A, B, C, and D are your options. And the options are 413, 314, then 537, and 143. Yes, most of you have already started writing the answer. Yes, there is relationship. So what relationship is here? This number is being shifted to the left. Now least significant bit is sent to the position of most significant bit, and therefore it has become 735. Likewise, if you send this least significant bit to the most significant bit, so it will become 143. And therefore here your option D is there. 143. Right, got it. What is the logic? So least significant has sent to the position of most significant, and it has transformed as 357 to the 735. Likewise, this least significant when comes at the MSB, so it will become 143. Right. So next one, say 4154 is having some relationship with 1445, and what could be the relationship of 6888? So A, B, C, and D, and your options are 6618, 6816, 6186, and 6186. So they have, I think, written same option twice. 6866. So I think it is 6686. Okay, here you might got have the answer, and option C is the correct one. That is 6186. So what is logic? Right. So see what has happened. So this one has sent to this place, and therefore if even number is shifted by one place, so this will be again shifting to this place. So it will become 1 after shifting this to here. So it will become 1, this 4 as it is. Now this has to be shifted to the place of 1. So 1, 4, 4. Again 5 will be at the place. Likewise, this must have shifted from, let's say, this 1 must have shifted from the position. So it will go to the here, and then this must have shifted from his, so it will be going to this one. So it will become 6. Now this will go to this point 1. This 6 will go to this place. 6 will be as 8 will be as it is, and this will go to the 6. So 6186 is your option. That is C. Right. So fine. I think okay, options. Let's see now. And last one of today's session, very simple. 4 is having 12, having some relationship. So 6 is what? Option A, B, C, D. So whatever options you have thought in your mind, I don't have in the options list. So your options comes as 36, 24, 32, and 30. So answer of 18 is not the option. Okay, someone still got. That is not 24. So let's lock for a while option D. So what is 4 is to 1, 2. That means 1 plus 2 is 3. Likewise, 6 is to whatever may be the number coming here, it must be having addition equals to 3. Okay, someone had also written one more logic that is also being applied here. Right, so what? 4 into 4 becomes 4 into 4 minus 4, and therefore 6 into 6 minus 6. Right, but I think this is also being applied, that addition is 3, and here you can have the addition of either of the numbers is only 3. So 3 plus 0 is 3, and therefore your 3. So option D. Right, so I think this is for this particular session. So we'll stop at this particular session, sorry, at this particular point, and you can have.
So last 7 minutes, sir. Will we
No, I'm stopping.
Session?
I'm going to stop.
Okay, sir.
I have finished.
Will we start doubt session, sir? One
Yes.
can raise their hand. Come in, ask.
Sir.
Huh?
Sir.
Vichar.
Sir.
Huh?
Hello, sir.
Are vichar na vichar?
Sir, I wanted to ask a question. Sir, I wanted to ask a question that in SPI, means in general ability test, which topic should take more initiative so that we can crack GAT?
Okay, it is not that much easy that only you can go with the certain kind of things, but there are, I can say you a group. So if you are prepared for a group, then definitely you will be cracking it, because it is not certain that only, let's say, I think in this particular session we have gone through 4 different kinds of questions, right? So 4 different relationships, right? So likewise, again, I think two to
Okay,
4
sir.
more are there. Yes, and apart from these numbers, there might be relationship of alphabets, letters, right? So that could be the way.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Have I answered your question?
Yes, Shubham, ask.
Hello, sir.
हाँ,
Hello, sir. Sir, question
बोल ना
number
बोल.
22 repeat कीजिए. Question number 20,
Question.
21 repeat करा. 21
अच्छा.
repeat करा.
समोर लॉजिक लिहिलेलं आहे, राईट. म्हणजे सिंपल लॉजिक आहे की वॉट एव्हर मे बी द product coming, product means let's say what you can say byproduct, so that product must be having addition on that particular product must be 3 if it is, right, if both are having same relationship. Second logic here, or you can consider this as first logic, that is 4 into 4 minus 4, right, multiply by same number and minus the same number, right, multiply by same number 4 times and minus same number from that particular. So likewise, so 4 into 4 is 16, minus 4 will become 12. Here it is 16, 6 into 16 becomes 36, minus 6 will become 30. Therefore your option is D. So if you have gone either of logic, it has always producing option D. So I recommend go with this one. This will give you, I think, the benefit for next some of the questions.
हॅलो सर. मी आणि महेश सोडून 3 जण आहेत जॉईन करायला तयार. आईरवाडकर मॅडम, सॉरी, किनारीवाला, भुयार मॅडम आणि पांचा. आईरवाडकर मॅडम सोबत काय मेसेज पाठवला व्हॉट्सअपला, पण त्यांनी काय रेडी केलेलं नाही, त्यांचा काय कॉन्टॅक्ट झाला नाही. हे 3 जण रेडी आहेत. हे पांचाळ सर, भुयार मॅडम आणि किनारीवाला.
ऋषिकेश सर आहे का अजून कोणाचा?
हो,
नाही सर.
लिंक पाठवतो सर मेलला.
ओके, ठीक आहे. I think okay, then
Try to join at
okay, then I will.
try to join at 6 o'clock. There will be the science lecture. Try to join at 6 o'clock. There will be the science lecture. Akshay, sir, one query. Akshay, are you have query?
I think 1 or 2 minutes must have left.
Okay, sir.
Okay, then I will quit.
Session directly, sir. No one have query, sir.
काय म्हणाला, आहे का? आहे का?
नाही. डायरेक्ट बंद करतो सर मी.
ओके, ठीक आहे सर.
हो सर.